your mummy and daddy. Oh, they're right at the sign. We'll go take a photo in front of it. I like my work. Local ice cake. Here's our family's lounge.
Ya leo mato tau mai nei Utulaelae. Stasi fo io. Uso lo no foi nei mo lo nai. So solo atule. So fo na kama nga ile fo ti kong. Ya, olha o fazem sim mamoe o.
Halo mamãe.
Não faz. Olha o sódio. Olha o sódio, olha o sofá ali, mano. Me ari aí. Eu faço só mamoe só. Leva. Lá o mil mamoe só. Sabe que eu sei que vai fui a por. De que mãe. Ele é kelma. Sai fora.
So this is my uncle's land. Wow, there's heaps of them.
Ya, o mato i tō lima. Ya, le mate te o mai sa ilin me o lo leile whetūle sa mato Laulii Fou. Le mate o mai le o mau mai tup. Lafu mama.
Meu vai.
Le mama lama le o whai o kokong. Sa, oi, kaki ai sa. Se kanga. Ia o le whanua nei al matou, aingal matou tina nei Utulaelae. Ia le o loo whaamautu en matou tuanga ne matua. Matou lua. Ia la pa mamoe la lea wasi sengi la vaenga ia. Lua so la mamoe. Le se me la e kia ai ma e o la whalolo i nei Samoa. Pea whai te le ia. So whanua. So sko inga mea i lalo whai. Uesi, no vaila i konga esi lama. Ma whai. Ia la whaila whaila tau tama i whalela le whaatau ai ia. Whala au aina ma so se mea la. E lea la se mea. La e o la whalolo ai nei Samoa. Lo tele mea ai. Whaatau atu ma o e tupe. Ia.
Mama. Amam.
Ha? Se tala tu nal mato pa mamoe man mato pa mo. Ela ngai ku o pa mo mal pa. O. E ole la pa ko yo ku o pa po. Se tai mi ya ku e ku la ka pa po. Nela le no pa ya tu ai. Tau yo telo tanga o mai pa tau se skwala au aina. Oi, lava tupi. Mawal ai fua. Pela o la tene le leo. Kau le mes.
Ice cake si muy. Oh, ai le ma.
Oh, that's Grandma Siiae, which is your great-grandmother.
Great grandmother. Do you know who this
Siiae Fiso.
Siiae Fiso mai?
And
Ma?
it's ali.
O Eli whai lako the Milionga project. O I.
No, yeah. This is all our earnings. Like I said, with all our cousins, But we all contribute to build this and the house at the back. So for cousins
for grandma.
and Jake.
So for grandma.
Her. She's a
Yeah,
very,
this
she
is her
was a
grandma,
very
Siiae,
humble,
Fiso.
kind
All of our grandma
grandmother.
and Lila.
It's your great grandmother.
It's all of our great grandmother. Us three.
And her?
Yes, her mom's the same sisters. They're all sisters.
And that's my grandma.
Yeah, Netta and your mom, my mom, sisters. Hi, Grandma.
Which side is she facing to?
We are. Life is sitting my side. Which side is she facing to in case we're sitting on her?
That's the thing.
We are. Right, yeah, Rina Lay. Hi, Uncle. Wow.
O mere iwa muanga pisi wa poiponga mo koe o mai re.
Go hug Uncle. Oi, they cool.
Singa rei kua.
Let's go say hi. Come. Ui. Hola, Auntie. Oka. Hi, Auntie.
Yeah, mong smash.
Aduh.
Sao?
Right, if I found look, Auntie's doing the cocoa. Nah, emang ongi Auntie. See the coconut beads. Le waterfalls, okay, they do. Falelauniu Beach. There, Lily, look up. So this is the cocoa beans fruit. Yeah. And then Auntie takes it out, cleans it, roasts it. Like that. And then he takes off the leaves, takes off the... Such a humble life here. Our girls. Humble life for our families. How do you think about our family's land? That's the Uncle Tautua. In other words, the formal way of saying bathroom or the outhouse. Pumpkin. Moa. Alay o moa. It's hiding. You see it? It's hiding.
Oh, it has a baby chicken.
Yeah.
Also has
My Uncle Tautua is the oldest of the siblings. So my mom and Aunt Singalinga are his little sisters. They're with Grandma. They're spending time with Grandma. Hey, that's a small one. I didn't have it. Ooh. If you follow.
Huh?
We got that. Well, Rina, yeah. The orange one.
orange one.
It's an orange one. You want orange one or red one? Ay, dale.
Breadfruits. Nice. Uluma fala.
It's with the sapa. Oi, yeah. Why like you, Kiara? Wow, Uncle still can climb up and so fit. Yeah. Ah. Mak ia kama faleasu. Sa kuya. Straight from the plantation. This is what they're selling at my uncle's plantation.
$6 for pep kamako. Yeah, tayo laba.
I love it.
Mangilaso.
Straight from the plantation almond.
Straight from the garden.
And here, don't color. We are my mawa ile ice cake. Ah. Yeah? Maukengi. Why see me? Bee. Black pepper. Black pepper or green pepper?
Black pepper.
Oh yeah, they're black pepper.
Pengare. Pemema.
Yeah, o mea maka. Ole ale whaparangi mea maka. Yeah, ole green pepper. That's right. Elu po eggplant. Esi po le whaparangi. Le papaya. Sa okay, lo whaparangi. Yeah. Yeah, ole misiluki. Yeah, come on, ulo no whaparangi. Ale le mea ne. Cucumber, yep, I am there. Avocado. Whai, kau mai. Avocado. Ui, mas ka. Yeah, alright, papa. Ole ya? Coconut. Ah, pawa, koko Samoa. Koko mai Samoa. Ui. Whakarimo kafe sa whakau. Ai ole okay. Ia. Ai okay kofua ne. Ne ice cake ka pai. Ke ro fai. Ne ai mamafa. Hele. Oh, yeah. Pakai apa ya? Bokomu. The princesses are sitting there.
Let me have a look.
Is that yours?
Yes.
That doesn't look like Rina's. What is that one?
No. See, Lily.
Did someone drink you this? Oh, did I drink? You're gonna break your teeth. Remember you used to have no teeth? Do you remember?
Just put this down there.
No, leave it. We're gonna buy it. This is lemongrass.
Did I do it for my head?
There you drink.
Coffee tea.
boleh kau kalau kamu semua kau nak dia lakukan.
Kau keluar lah, fai kau semua.
Tại đó vào một có đi phi lại là đấy có cái là sụp vào ấy là sụp.
Now, can you hold this? Swim skin.
Yes.
Wait, Uncle Lafatu. We're right down the back of the unit. It's all cool at the back. Yeah, we're on our way to Lalomanu Beach just to see if we can swim there. It is raining, but we still will try and swim. That's where it is.
Hungry? Yes.
Barbecue.
Oh, pipi man, boy, nice.
That's our family's Laulii. Mini barbecue in the back of the truck before we go swimming up above. So we have
Ice cream.
yum. Let's go. This is so yum. You guys have take a photo here. Take a photo here with scoops. Wait, ready? Which one's better? Oh, now you want. 1, 2, 3. That's our family's car wash business. The front of Auntie Siiae's house. Hello, hello. Hello. Right, that right there is my trauma. Nice little land, Mom. They're not coming. Ay, na. Uy. Mom and Dad's land here. Oi. Samoa and her eggs. Wow, man, I can't go away, Mom.
Wow.
Oh, my God. My pe pula so ayale. E pula. I want to eat some. You can make chocolate out of this, or what it's known for is Samoa. Ooh,
Beautiful.
that's what it looks like inside. Dad's getting the lau fai. Yeah. Let's do our umu, our last Sunday here in Samoa before we leave next week. That such a professional, my dad. Here is my family's pakuanga, bigger version than the one that we have back in Brisbane. As you can tell, my family are very green thumb. Your cocoa. Mẹ phải á. Bây giờ.
Sao? Collect ka ba? Kumabi siya ba? May fanga au ki fu ba? Ay lo. Ay mo fu ba? Ah. Ba mo fu mo do. Fu ai me.
Oh. Tên sao? Cái ấy ồ. Cái ấy ồ. Yum, it's marshmallow. Take a bit of it. Just take a bite. Yum. This is my favorite. You like it? Guys, we had some popo. It doesn't taste nice. It's yum.
I don't like it.
I love it. This is my
It tastes like nothing.
it's marshmallow.
It's marshmallow.
I have questions for you. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Scale of 7. Way number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Scale of 7.
Because 7, 8, 9.
Just 7, 8, 9.
No, wala liya. Yeah. Ansi ba ame? Oui.
Mangabi dalo.
How for the beans to be full of?
Huh? There. Oh, is it the V? Oh, yes, I knew that. Yeah? Chicken fear. There was heaps of chickens at mum and dad's pakuanga. Avocado. Mga avocado ngay Samoa. This is why I love avocado. I think that's because we always have avocados in my family's land. Every house that our family owns, there's an avocado tree. It's the auntie's house that we've been staying at this few days. Gaps. Bok choy. What's that, Auntie, in English?
It's a ifs.
If I there. Oh, my sông nhỉ?
Mai ole vai lai o song ya.
Hey, slow down, please.
Nuri.
Oh, I know.
Ai size 2, ele size 3 da vai sama.
Meangan makuha the fireworks.
It's a video.
And the PP.
PP and the mamoy. Ay lang ay sa kaya lang mo ka. Kaya lo suay ole mamoy matek seki yan. Ako sa masima.
Yaro asa o.
Sa oya PP.
Oh. Singing nga.
Maro.
That's enough. Kamaya po eh. Hindi pa ba? Vai virar essa coisa do árbitro. Olha o que só ele já carou. Cara, que tá no mundo agora. Alô, lá.
Kasi may malip ko po yun. O, parang alam mo ako ay kaya rin niya. Wala lang nito.
Kaya lang ko mikira ito.
Sipa. Ui à. Này à lỡ cả. Ăn đồ à?
Yo, sino?
Yeah.
Ano ba la limu?
Sei uma pas.
C'est uma pas. É maca.
Koe ka le o ngam. Ngam.
Ifi.
Hai fai mi kum.
Aru kai mo kung sin. Ui, ai yang.
Yeah, honey.
Yang ni.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh yeah. Can I taste it?
Of course you can.
And more.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is the ifi.
Oh, it's a chestnut. It's like a nut. Manga. That's nice. Guys, kids these days walking on the rocks. Look at him, he's walking on the rocks so easily. I can't. Yay! Con hi mày. Yeah. Con hi mày. Ôi. Yeah. Yeah. Con hi mày. Con hi mày. Cái xe à? Cây lúa bố bố. Ý. Ý. À pha phê. Cái mà é cui. Gì? Ai à? Ai xe à? Mau à, vậy là. Ê, sorry. Okay. Lea. Lea, vai ser. Sek. Yay! Pati. Kilo pati. Olha. Ele especate. Só falei isso para.
Oi, vamos por. Curly. Kai. Ifi.
Ifi means
Means ah?
Hey, Uncle.
Vai ficou. Vai lá malo.
Masih apa yang boleh tambah?
Masih mau dia lah ba ko le kia wa.
Này, cô cà phê.
E fe kia le abong fu.
Jam.
Oi fe wa ka ya text mai le. Oi, ma mo
Taxi. Ifi. Mamoy.
Vamos tinggal ya. Ya sih.
wala na mo susume mo ka ile na kasi tuwan. Oh, ako po pwede lang. Aka le.
Ah,
Makoy mo ko ay na.